Good morning, everybody, the honorable judges, teachers, and all my friends, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Randi Darmadiputra. You can call me Putra. I'm from Law Study Program and HK25E class. Today, I will discuss a critical issue that plagues societies worldwide: corruption. My presentation is titled Say No to Corruption, and I will explore its definition, impact, and the situation in Indonesia. This issue affects us all, and understanding it is the first step toward fighting it. First of all, corruption is fundamentally defined as the abuse of entrusted power for private gain. This behavior can be found among officials in both the public and private sectors, where they unlawfully enrich themselves or their close associates. Ultimately, this act represents a profound betrayal of the trust placed in them by the public or their organization. And this slide presents the corruption perception index for Indonesia from 1998 to 2022. The data reveals a troubling trend, particularly after key events, especially the weakening of the Corruption Eradication Commission in late 2019 correlation with a rise in corruption. Furthermore, the pandemic years from 2020 to 2022 saw budget deficits soar, during which corruption became increasingly uncontrolled, and several interconnected factors cause and perpetuate corruption. The first is weak institution, which result in a lack of oversight and accountability. Secondly, poor governance and non-transparent decision-making process create opportunities for misconduct. Economically, low salaries for public officials can create an incentive to solicit bribes. Finally, social and cultural norms play a role when corruption becomes an accepted or even expected part of daily life. And the economic impact of corruption is severe and multifaceted. It diverts crucial public funds away from essential services like healthcare and education. It also discourages both foreign and domestic investment by fostering an unpredictable and costly business environment. Moreover, corruption inflates the cost of projects and often leads to poor quality infrastructure. Finally, it creates unfair competition, which stifles innovation and harms small business. And last, in conclusion, corruption is a complex issue with deep roots and devastating consequences, particularly for economic development and public trust. Thank you for your attention. Let us all commit to transparency, accountability, and saying no to corruption in all its forms. Together, we can build a fairer future.